Welcome to your new Interacoustics Callisto. In this video, we will guide you through what's included in the box and how to connect your device so you're ready to get started quickly and confidently. Start by opening the Callisto carrying case. Inside, you will find all of the components you need and your device's calibration folder. You can store this calibration folder inside the carry case. Next, remove all the components from the case and keep hold of any packaging, as this may be needed when repacking the device for annual calibration. Inside the box, you will find the following hardware: DD65 circumaural headphones, a B71 bone conductor, patient response button, an SP70 loudspeaker, the loudspeaker splitter cable, the real ear measurements headset, the tester headset for monitoring the patient, the main Callisto base unit, and the USB cable, which also supplies power to the device. Now you have confirmed all the required components, you are ready to connect the system. Start by placing the Callisto base unit upright in its stand and place on the desk. We will plug the components in order from bottom to the top of the device. Take your patient response button and plug the jack connection into the port labelled PAT response. Next, plug the DD65 headphone jacks into the color-coded left and right ports on the Callisto unit. The bone conductor transducer is color-coded green. Plug the jack connection into the green port labelled bone. To connect your SP70 loudspeaker, start by plugging the yellow splitter cable jack into the free-filled port labelled FF. Take the other end of the splitter cable and connect the red connector to the back of the loudspeaker. The tester headset has two connectors, the light green being used for audio monitoring and the pink connector being the headset microphone. Connect these jacks to their respective light green and pink ports on the Callisto unit. The REM headset uses red and blue multi-pinned plugs. These plugs need to be aligned carefully and pushed into their matching coloured port on the device. Small arrows on the plugs are used to help align these correctly into the Callisto unit. Finally, connect the USB cable to the very bottom port of the Callisto. This USB will provide both power and data transfer to the device. Everything is now connected. Take a moment to double check that all the ports are securely connected and the cables are well organized. To turn on the device, connect the other end of the USB cable to your PC. A green light will illuminate on the device to show that it is now receiving power. Your Interacoustics Callisto is now connected and ready to use.